Hello class and welcome back. Today I'm going to go on a step-by-step tutorial on how to access the application called Quizlet. Some of you may or may not know it, but this is a great tool when it comes down to studying. This website is where you can create a study set to help prepare for tests or better knowledge of terms and their definitions. Alright, so once you have logged in, you'll be logged in right here. Easy access is with Google. You're then going to push the plus button. After pushing the plus button, you're going to put study set. Okay, since this is a new study set, we are going to have to enter a title. Due to us doing a PBL based on the Great Depression, we should just enter our title as the Great Depression. Okay. Along on the bottom, we have add a description. Description can be as simple as PBL study guide or the Great Depression study guide. So today we're just going to put the Great Depression PBL study guide. Great. Along on the side, on the right hand side, you can add the school that you are attending and then the course names, but of course that is optional. When you go down, you are going to see term on the left-hand side and definition on the right-hand side. So we're going to click term, and because we are doing the Great Depression, we are going to come up with terms that are related to this unit. The first term that we can use is New Deal. Okay, we can click New Deal. Automatically, Quizlet is going to give you a definition bank where it has definitions picked out for you, and so we are going to choose one. Let's just choose the first one. Great. Let's just say if you don't want to do the definition bank that Quizlet has already for you, then you can simply just put into your own words the definition, but make sure that it is related to the unit and the term. Okay. Now we're going to come up with another term. Let's put the Social Security Act. Scroll down, Social Security Act. Again, we just click another one, and there we go. Another term that we can use is Dust Bowl. Okay. And then we can find a definition for the Dust Bowl. Very quick one, just to gain memory. But let's just say that you wanted to know the cause and effects. Well, Quizlet also can give you the term that with the cause and effects. So you just put Dust Bowl causes. Okay, and then it will give you the simple causes of what happened that led to the Dust Bowl. And let's just add one more. And I'm going to go with the president. So the president was FDR. And we'll just pick this one right here, and it gives you a detailed description. If you don't want all of this, then you could easily just highlight it and delete and just have a simple version of he was the president during the Great Depression and World War II. We'll then go down and create it. Okay. Once it is created, you'll see a flashcards. You can then click the term, and then definition will pop up on the other side. This goes along for every single term Quizlet has put in flashcards. Okay. Along on the top, you can see different options of where you can learn these flashcards. So we'll push the learn button. You can quickly study it by building your short-term memory. Let's say if you have a quiz or a test that's coming up the day of, you can quickly study, or you can memorize it all by in your terms in your management. And then it will be like, it's all new to me. I know some of it. I know most of it. And you'll click it, continue, and it gives you what you need. So a series of forms, Social Security Act was wrong. So then you'll push continue. There are help options, and there is the definition spoken to you. It's created on a tax for workers and employees, Social Security Act. Okay, droughts in the 1930s. this would be the Dust Bowl. Okay. Click exit, and then you can push test. On the test options, you can go to questions. Since we only have 5 terms right now, let's just say if you only wanted 3, you click 3. And then you can have true or false, multiple choice, or matching. But let's just say you don't want true or false, then you can start a test and it won't have any true or false answers. But if you did want to add true or false, then you'll just simply push true or false and create a new test. Then it will pop up with true or false, and also multiple choice and other options that you have chosen. But not only is it flashcards, it also is a game called Match. This is where you must start to match everything. So let's put FDR, Dust Bowl, the causes, New Deal, and Social Security. Okay, so our score was 11.4 seconds. Of course, we got first place because we are playing, but if you wanted to add friends, you can add friends along with this. If you want to beat your time, you can just play again. Okay, and if you come back on Quizlet, back to the welcoming site, if you need to go back, go to your library, push the Great Depression, and you can start all over. Right here, it gives you what you're still needed to learn, what you have mastered, and what you have not studied. If you want to just select the ones that you haven't studied, they'll highlight it for you, and then you can come up with a quiz just for the ones that you haven't studied and the ones that you still are working on. It is easy as that, and then you can just check your stats. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this tool and have a great rest of your day.